Hey there, I'm Tom from borrowlenses.com, and on today's quick tip, we're going to talk about 5 wide-angle lenses for Canon EF mount cameras that we think offer the very best in value for full-frame coverage. Let's do it. Wide-angle lenses are an important part of any well-rounded camera bag and are perfect for shooting real estate, landscapes, interiors, or groups of people. While they can have some downsides like distortion and vignetting, they're a lot of fun to shoot with. Here's what's made our list. First on our list is the Tamron 15-30 f2.8. Tamron can be hit or miss, but in this case, it's a solid win. Built a couple of years back to compete with Nikon's 14-24 f2.8G, it's got stabilization, something not often seen on ultra-wide lenses, and a fast 2.8 aperture. If you're shooting handheld or in low light, this might just be an awesome choice for you. Vignetting is subtle wide open and vanishes at f4. For the quality this lens exhibits, it's an outstanding value. Next up, the Canon 16-35 f4L IS. A little tighter than the Tamron, this lens made a splash back in 2014 when it was first released. And 5 years later, it holds up really well. It's a really sharp, versatile package. At f4, there's some vignetting that is mostly gone at f5.6. At 16 mils, it's wide enough for true wide-angle shots, but at 35, you could feasibly use it for portrait work and narrower shooting styles. Despite its plastic construction, it's a rock-solid lens with fast autofocus, great color rendition, and awesome value. Third on our list is the Canon 17-40 f4L. Equipped with a versatile range of focal lengths, this lens works well on both full-frame and crop cameras. Like the 16-35, it's a little plasticky, but in the years we've carried this lens, it's held up extremely well. If you're looking for something inexpensive and compact, the 17-40L is still an awesome choice. Fourth is the Sigma 24mm f1.4 art lens. You're probably familiar with Sigma's ever-expanding art lineup that just keeps getting better and better. Here we have a really fast, affordable, and solidly built prime lens that's razor sharp throughout its aperture range. Like most of these lenses, it's got some admittedly pleasing vignetting wide open that completely disappears at f4. If you need a wide lens that will give you a narrow focal plane, this is the one for you. Finally, we have the Sigma 35mm f1.4 art lens. 35mm as a focal length is extremely useful for many different kinds of photographers. With this focal length, you can do it all. Wide enough for landscapes, long enough for portraits. Photographers who might dabble in environmental portraiture will find that this lens is right at home in their bag. Low distortion, razor-like sharpness, and awesome color. Like the 24 from Sigma, it's fast and affordable. So there you have it, an admittedly odd grouping of some of our very favorite budget wide-angle lenses. If you want to read even more about these options and many others, check out our blog post about it. Got a question for us? Leave us a comment and let us know what you're thinking. Thanks for watching.